You know what's weird? My AI can be brilliant, and it still remembers nothing. Every new chat starts from zero. Yesterday's decisions, gone. The docs? Look, the docs are written for humans. My agents never read them. And it's not like we have nothing. There are layers. The session, that's working memory, gone when you close it. Project files like CLAUDE.md, those help, but they're per project, and they get read whole into every single session. So they can't really grow, make them long, and they just eat your tokens. Auto memory, notes the agent takes on its own. Helpful, but hit or miss. But the top layer, real institutional memory, curated and shared by the whole team, that one's usually just missing. So at some point, I built a little tool for this. I called it Kluris. The idea is simple. Give every AI agent on the team one shared brain, real knowledge, plain markdown, living in Git. The agents read it before they act, and suddenly they answer like someone who's been on the team for years. And yes, I went all in on the metaphor, because it just fits. The brain is a Git repo. A lobe is a folder, projects, infrastructure, whatever regions you need. A neuron is one markdown file, one piece of knowledge. And synapses are the links between them. Sounds playful, I know, but you'll never forget the model. Getting one is easy. Pipx install Kluris. Kluris create, and that's it. Then it plugs into the agents you already use: Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, Codex, Antigravity, and more. Same brain everywhere. Then you teach it. You open your agent in your project workspace and you just say, learn everything about this service. It digs through the repo and proposes knowledge, one neuron at a time, and you approve what's actually true. Nothing gets written without your review and approval. And after a coding session, a feature shipped, a tricky bug finally understood, you just ask Kluris to remember the session. Decision by decision, the brain grows, slowly becoming your company's own subject matter expert. And here's my real brain, the one my agents use every day. 22 neurons, 3 lobes. I ask it about one of my projects, 10 results, ranked, with the exact files my agents will read. That's team memory, answering instantly. Oh, and my favorite party trick, Kluris MRI. It renders the whole brain as an interactive map. Lobes as clusters, neurons as stars, synapses connecting everything. You can literally watch your team's knowledge grow. And this is where it compounds. A new developer joins the team, they clone the brain, and from day one, their agents already know everything the team knows. Same for autonomous agents and harnesses. They can read the brain too and make decisions with real context. That is a genuine step toward an AI native company. Now, it won't fill itself. A brain is curated. The agent proposes, a human approves. And honestly, that's not a limitation. That's the entire reason you can trust what's inside. So yeah, that's Kluris. Free, open source, everything's on the website, right there on your screen. Give your agents a memory, and tell me what they remember first. I'm curious.